So the first thing I'm going to do is just whip the bolt out of this motor. Just holding by one bolt, this one is. Obviously the belt's already off. See my other video on that if you're interested. So just a 13mm bolt. Hold the motor though, because as soon as you pull like that, it wants to fall, like that. So I'll bring it round here. So, as you can see, it's just pulled forward. It's just held on by these two rubber things, mounts, and it just pulls off. And that is it. Motor is off. So I'm just going to put this mount back on properly and then refit it. Easy to refit, just do the same in reverse. Yep. Pushes in, slots up here into this little place. Put your bolt in. Very easy to do. Okay, so I'm going to plug the wires back in. Make sure you don't forget the earth. That is it. Right, so I'm going to put the belt back on that, but there's a video on that already, so